Alvi Armani's Vitruvian technique includes two important unique innovations: the extraction and the implantation process. Hairs are removed from the back of the head with the latest follicular unit extraction technique. Each hair is individually extracted from the donor area of the head with a microscopic device. The donor area heals quickly and painlessly. The hairs are then implanted in the balding area with Alvi Armani's proprietary Vitruvian design technique. Hairs are implanted at high density with their proper natural angles, producing Alvi Armani's worldwide trademark, natural undetectable results.
Today you can enjoy a full active lifestyle without the ball cap, without having to dwell on your thinning hair. The award-winning doctors of Alvi Armani have developed a cutting-edge technique that allows for the full natural restoration of your hairline, and the results have never been more natural.